Hi, it's Liam from Supreme. Going to show you how to check your oil today. Just going to pop the hood. I'll check one of our previous videos in the description if you want to learn how to do that. You're going to look down on the side of your motor, or sometimes it'll be on the top, and you'll see a yellow handle, like an eyelet. You'll just grab that, and it's going to have an oil level on it. And that'll be the bottom of it, and that's the top. There's a dot. So at first you're going to want to wipe down the dipstick to get it clean. And then with the engine off, go get a fresh reading, and it's right there on top. And you know your oil level's good.
Hi everyone, Sydney here. I just wanted to chime in and point out the differences in the oil in this clip. As you can see, the drop on the right is very light and the one on the left is dark. The light oil is new oil that is fairly unused, and the dark oil is oil that is used. And as you can see here in this clip, this is the old oil being dumped after an oil change. Back to Liam now.
So you always want to remember to do your oil changes. It's very important maintenance. You're going to want to do it every 5,000 to 8,000 kilometers. We can take care of you here at Supreme. Just remember that it's always cheaper to do your maintenance than to buy a new engine. Thanks for tuning in to Supreme Tire and Auto's channel. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more Supreme content. And remember, if you can't come to us, we'll come to you. We'll pick up your vehicle, service it, drop it off. Check the link in the description for an appointment. We'll see you guys next time.